how to make your own PPE
bags. So first of all, it's important, of course, wash your hands first thoroughly, dry them before you start, and then put on some unused gloves. And then we're just going to clean down the working area. So the bin bags I'm using come on a roll like this. They're the large ones, bigger than the normal size. So you want to pull one off. You'll see more what they look like when it all opens out. So these are the long ones. These are going to end up being the bits that go around your neck. And the bottom of the bin bag is the bottom of the apron. Now, first thing we're going to do, there's a seam here that seals the bottom of the bag. We're just going to chop straight across here, just above that seam. So in fact, you're opening up the whole bottom of the bin bag. Next thing, you need to open the whole thing out, like that. And I'll show you what it's like that end. My one looks like that. And then you're going to take your scissors. Doesn't matter which end you start, and you're literally going to cut the entire bin bag in half. Like so. You can see where to cut from the creases. And now you have two halves. Next part is really easy. First of all, I'll just get my ruler. Okay, so roughly from the top of this bin bag to the foot mark, or 30 centimetres, which is there, you're going to cut up to that line. I'll just put that there to remind me. So you come down here, hope you can see, you go in about 5-6 centimetres and you cut up like so till you get to that mark, and then do the same. Show you. Hopefully you can see this side. Up like so until you get to that mark, which is about a foot from the top to there. Okay, so these are going to become your apron ties. That is basically it. But it's a good idea to fold them up nicely now, because you don't want them taking up lots of room. So fold them up. And then you go 2 aprons from one bin bag. When you've finished doing your pile, obviously it's important to put them in a plastic bag, seal the plastic bag so they're all nice and clean for the person who's going to use them. So here's the apron I made earlier. I'm just going to put it on, show you what it looks like. Open it out, head goes through here. If it's a bit tight going over your head, you can just pull here and it will stretch it a little bit, but it doesn't break. And then get your ties, tie them on the back. And that's pretty much it done. Comes down to knee length on me. I'm about 5'6", so it's a really good length. You can reach around, it's fine, it's just like a normal apron. So that's the apron finished. I really hope you found it useful, and more importantly, I really hope it will help protect you in this time. Thanks. for watching. Bye.